Today, we will be discussing various lifestyle habits that can contribute to a healthy and vegan lifestyle. Firstly, what it means to be vegan. Being vegan is a lifestyle that excludes the use of any animal products or byproducts in our daily lives. This includes food, clothing, cosmetics, and other items. A vegan lifestyle is associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes, and it is also better for the environment. Now, let's discuss some healthy lifestyle habits that can help promote overall wellness. Eat a balanced diet. It includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and plant-based protein sources such as beans, lentils, and nuts. By consuming a varied diet, you can ensure that you are getting all of the essential nutrients that your body needs. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial. It helps flush toxins from your body, aids in digestion, and keeps your skin looking healthy. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for your body to recharge and repair. Plays a crucial role in regulating your mood, appetite, and metabolism. Exercise regularly. It is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, improving cardiovascular health, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, reducing stress and anxiety. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your physical and mental health. Engaging in activities such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can help manage stress levels. Now let's discuss some vegan-specific lifestyle habits that can help support a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate a variety of plant-based protein sources. As a vegan, it's essential to consume a variety of plant-based protein sources to ensure that you are getting all of the essential amino acids your body needs. Examples include tofu, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Choose fortified foods. As a vegan, it's important to ensure that you are getting enough vitamins and minerals, such as calcium and vitamin B12. By incorporating these lifestyle habits into your daily routine, you can help promote overall wellness and feel your best. Thank you for watching this video.